Welcome back, friends. So friend, previous video was stopped due to some reason, and now I will begin this video from where it was stopped. So I refresh this page and I bring my cursor over these navigation links. So you see that they are removed when I bring my cursor over them, because I have given nav A column hover color white. So friend, now I have stylized the navigation, and now I will come out of this navigation and I will here call that class which I made. First I will show you that class, that I made a class here, this class right above the nav and above the promo container ends, where the promo container div is ending. Right above that div I made this class clear fix. So I come here and I will call that class dot clear slash fix, and I write here clear both. Line height 1 pixel. Control S to save. So now I come here and refresh this page. So you see that nothing has been changed here, because this class has only cleared the above tags. So friend, now I go to index.html, and under the nav there is a footer. Now I will stylize this footer. So once again I go to style.css page and I press enter here. So friend, here I will call the footer curly brackets, and first of all I define font size for footer 0.85 em semicolon to close. It is the point. So I come down and I define some color for it, white. I also define some background color for it, column hash 575 C7A and semicolon to close. And I also give some padding to it, padding 10 pixel from top, 10 pixel from right, 10 pixel from bottom, and 0 pixel from left. Control S to save. So now friend, I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So you see that this footer, this small footer is been made here. So friend, in this video I completed the little work from previous video, and I have also stylized the footer. So now I will come back in next video and do some work first of all in our index.html page.